It is our commitment to excellence and innovation to carry forward the rich craftsmanship and the glorious heritage of Raymond. That is a hallmark of our offerings, crafted with love. To the soul of the entire business is the quest for creating finest products that are the true attribute of quality. We have 3 garment manufacturing facilities across India and 1 in Ethiopia. A capacity of making over 9 million pieces of garments annually. With an expertise in creating garments, we are reckoned as the leading white label manufacturers of men's suits, shirts and trousers to global brands and retailers in US, Europe and Japan. The facility situated in Bengaluru is one among a handful in the world, with a capability to manufacture full canvas, half canvas and made-to-measure suits at an industrial scale. At Raymond, we believe in collaborating with our customers. Our design studios in Italy, Spain and New York are adept of global fashion trends and can co-create garments based on the requirements of our customers. We are committed to offer highest levels of products and serviceability across the complete value chain. Through our PMI model, we believe in giving customers the ease of managing their inventories seamlessly across locations. Raymond's garmenting facilities in India have been honored as one of the best places to work. Raymond is committed to follow ethical employment practices. Empowerment of women workforce is the backbone of our business operations. More than 90% of our workforce of over 8,000 is women from adjoining rural areas who are trained in the art and science of tailoring. Tailoring being one of the oldest professions and textile sector being one of the largest employment generator, makes India a strategic supplier for apparel manufacturers across the world. We believe in safeguarding our people and planet. In our goal to minimize the environmental impact of our products, we follow sustainable practices across entire product life cycle, beginning from sourcing to manufacturing. As a preferred white label supplier to top brands across the globe, we at Raymond take pride in being the clothier to the world.